All right, guys. So welcome to another short travel video. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about booking rental cars and getting paid for it as a travel agent. Okay. So we're going to kind of jump into how to book these rental cars. All right. So, as a travel agent, there are so many different brands that you can book. Over here, it's just a few of them, but let's just jump right on in. So, as normal, I am going to stop sharing and then I am going to start back sharing on my screen. So let's do it. Okay, close that out. All right, should be sharing pretty soon. All right, desktop. All right, so I'm sure that it is sharing. All right. So, as a travel agent, if you want to book a rental car, there's a few different ways that you can do it. But the way that I recommend do it is, hey, always Google that brand that you want to book a rental car with. So, let's say you want to book a rental car for Enterprise, and if you guys didn't know, Enterprise is affiliated with Alamo, National. So it's those three together: Enterprise, National, Alamo, and so Budget, and the rest of them, all of them are separate. All right. So go ahead and Google Enterprise Rent a Car Travel Agent. All right. And so there's two different ways to get in. You can go into Travel Admin, you can go into Travel Brand, or you can come over here where it talks about IATA number travel advisor. So let's jump into the Travel Brand. All right. So when you get there, it's going to be talking and you're going to click on whichever one that you want to book. So let's say Enterprise. So it's going to go into the learn more and it knows that you're a travel advisor. So I'm going to go ahead and pause my screen and I'm going to put in my industry credentials in there. All right. And then I'm going to go ahead and log in and show you guys what it looks like. All right. So we are signed in, and you know that you're signed in because My Me and We Travels or your host agency, if you're not a part of our agency, it will automatically come up. And so you want to go ahead and just type in all of the information like normal. Okay. And then one thing I will say about rental cars, listen, y'all are not about to make a lot of money with rental cars. All right. But you're not going to be making $0. So booking a rental car as a travel agent, of course, is always better than, booking it like normal or just calling the rental car place. You might get some, a couple gallons of gas or something like that. I don't know. But it is still, you can still make some money by booking rental cars. All right. So I'm not going to lie and say, oh my gosh, make so much money. No, lies. We're not making a lot of money selling rental cars, but we can definitely make some money. All right. So you will go through like normal, put in all of the information and put it on hold, get your reservation number and send it back to your client. Let's hop into the next one. So this is Enterprise. Super easy, super easy. All right. So the next one, let's say Budget. Over here, I just Googled budget rental car travel agent, and you just look for the rental the travel agent login. So of course you're gonna always go more towards the one that says IATA. And then so let me go ahead and pause my screen. And then so I know you guys probably see Rakuten that's over there in the right hand corner. I will highly recommend download Rakuten and start earning cash. I made a whole video on Rakuten showing you guys how much money you can actually make as a travel agent because you're booking some of the things that Rakuten already gives you cash back with. Okay, so I'm adding this in. So give me a second, and then I'm gonna log in. So right there where it says IATA/R, you're gonna pop the IATA number in there, and then come on. All right, then you're gonna come to this screen right here. All right, so you're gonna come to this screen, and then you should log in or create an account. Or you probably don't even have to do all of that. But me personally, if it was me, I would log in because if you didn't get the email or something like that, you still will want to make sure that you can get the information. So you're logged in. You just go through and search. Let's see, offer codes. Let's see. If you're one of my travel agents, in your back office, your Travelpreneur Dreams port, if you click on rental cars, you'll actually get some codes that you can pop into here and it'll make the rental car a little bit cheaper as well. Okay. So that is budget. Really, really easy. Like I said, it's not a bunch of money that's in it, but you do get some change for it. You get some change, all right? And so the last and final way that we all can book rental cars as travel agent is hopping over here into Expedia tab. So Expedia, of course, you can book, flights and hotels and packages and stuff. But for rentals, you just come on over here, choose the rental car option, and then you just, pick where you want to go to. Let's say Miami, and then same as pickup, and let's just leave it. Just searching. And then I will say that sometimes for rental cars, you may not know how much commission you're getting, but if you're looking for your commission, like I know over here Enterprise kind of sort of breaks it down just a little bit. Hop on over there and take a peek at the commission policies. And I'm pretty sure over here inside of budget, if you look, you'll be able to find their commission policy. But it's not much. It's less than 10%. I can tell you that. Okay. But nonetheless, I mean, it's yours, all right. So over here, it gives you all of the prices. And I guess, I mean, we could do, and no, we're not gonna do it apples to apples today. Because I mean, prices always change. Prices always change. So make sure you guys are checking multiple providers. So you just go all the way through and get your pricing. And listen, when I say prices really vary. One day, Enterprise may be winning. One day, Budget may be winning. The other day, Expedia may be winning. So it's truly up to you, the travel agent, to come on over here and check out things. But this is right now what I just showed you. Over here in the Tri brand, we got Enterprise, we got Alamo, we got National. Over here we got Budget, and then over here we got Expedia. So I just showed you. Lord have mercy, I just lost count. 3, 4. I just showed you 5 different ways that you can book rental cars and earn some commission for it as a travel agent. Even though it's not a lot of commission, it is not a lot of commission, y'all, but it's our commission. Okay, so you can get you a couple gallons of gas, or a meal or something like that. I don't know, but this is how you're going to be booking it as a travel agent and earning commission. But there's so many different travel supplies that you can use to book rental cars. These are just, some of the ones that always come top of my top of my mind when I think about rental cars. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the quick training video. I can't wait can't wait to show you guys something next on our next short travel video, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.